Hi everyone, I'm Angie Kellen with MCA Public Relations. Today I'm in San Francisco at the FlexTech Alliance Metal Oxide TFT panel and workshop. And joining me right now is one of the panelists, Dr. Malcolm Thompson of the FlexTech Alliance. Hello, Malcolm.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
Well, you were one of our esteemed panelists today, and I know there were a lot of great ideas brought up. I'm curious to know what you think might be the drivers that are going to spark this industry.
Well, I think it's interesting because we really don't know what's going to be the absolute spark that lights that fire, right? I think we've got a lot of new technology, a lot of great ideas, but in the end of the day, they need to be turned into products. And what we need is product designers. You know, what made the iPhone? There's been lots of phones out there before. What made the iPhone so special? And that basically was so different. And I think that's the kind of thing that we're looking for. We're looking for, what is that application? Is it a medical application of a smart bandage? Is it something like a flexible display of some kind? I guess the excitement is we really don't know that, but we've got to keep our eyes open and work on it. Get those demonstrators out there and show people and get a reaction of what they think about it. But we've got to have the designers working with us who design real products.
Well, there were a lot of other ideas that were brought up, and I know you had actually addressed the idea of a paradigm shift. Can you go over that a little bit?
Yeah, I think a lot of people sort of talk in historical terms. Well, this is just like the semiconductor business or the flat panel display business, and so why are we going to be able to change this? And I think the answer is, the only way you change it is you've got to create a new paradigm. And a new paradigm means not just a new product, but new manufacturing techniques. Instead of having a manufacturing site that costs $4 billion, we're going to have one that costs $200,000. And I can print this product wherever I want, anywhere in the world. So it's that kind of paradigm shift. And not just the product itself, but the way we manufacture it, the cost of the product, and its functionality in the end of the day. Good designers and good paradigm shifts.
Well, I know you mentioned, thinking and being creative, and coming up with new ways to use all of this technology. So I personally am looking forward to seeing how you all are working together and making this happen. So we're eager to see what comes on the forefront here soon.
Yeah, I think it's going to be very interesting, and I'm kind of close to it. Sometimes when you're really close to it, you can't get the right perspective. So it's difficult to say what's going to be the first to emerge, but there are so many ideas, so many things out there in medical applications, sensor applications, for a range of things, flexible displays, tremendous number of ideas out there. And it's difficult to see which one's going to be the big one.
Well, we're looking forward to it, and I want to thank you for joining me and taking your time away, and definitely one of the most interesting speakers on the panel today, so thank you for being a part of that as well, Malcolm.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
In San Francisco, Angie Kellen for MCA.